Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, ConfidentCashCars.com. Another Prius, guys, no surprise. This is one that's been in my own fleet for a couple months. I was gonna keep it. I've been driving it daily and it runs excellent, but I got one with higher miles, so I need to retire this one and keep the one with higher miles. So generally, that's what I do. I keep a Prius till I find one with even higher miles, and then I get that one. The one I got now has 516,000 miles on it, so I don't know if I'm ever going to get rid of it. This one only has 299,000. She's got some cosmetic blemishes. Be sure to check out our website where we take good pictures of all of the details. But overall, still a very attractive car. Very clean, no odors, no mechanical issues. Nice cold air. In the video, that screen blinks like crazy, but it doesn't blink in reality. Again, cold air. This one doesn't have Bluetooth. It really is more of a base model. It does have an auxiliary port down here to be able to plug in your phone. Again, very clean, no odors whatsoever. There's your book, your owner's manual. All the door panels are perfect. All the power windows work. All the tires are excellent and new. The brake booster is the most common issue, one of the most common issues on this generation, which is one of the items we just did when we bought it, or when we took it on trade recently, a few months ago. And so that's been done. And that will save you a bunch of money because that will not need to be done. If you're out there looking for Priuses of the third generation, you generally have three things to worry about. That would be the batteries, as with any hybrid. And I do believe they're original in this car. I'm not sure. It's still getting 40 miles to the gallon, so they're healthy. The brake actuator is the second major item that's going to cost you a lot of money. And the third would be the head gasket in this generation. And if you want advice, information on a Toyota Prius, please call me. I'd love to talk to you. Whether you buy a car from me or not, I'd love to help you, give you some advice. And tell you what all the risks are and let you know what all the rewards are. Sorry, I'm kind of thinking more about what I want to share with you about Priuses than I am my video. So here she is. Give us a call anytime, 803-853-4300. Call and ask for Aaron. Again, I'd love to share any Prius knowledge that I have with you if it helps. ConfidentCashCars.com. Thanks for watching.